Today we are going to discuss artificial intelligence unit first, that is introduction to AI. In unit first we are going to discuss about definitions of AI representation, Turing test, AI problems and techniques, production systems, heuristic searching techniques. Now, what is AI? In general term, what we say that artificial is nothing but non-natural and intelligence meant what? Intelligence is a ability to understand, ability to think. So, what we are going to design, we are going to develop a system which is non-natural and that have capability or ability to think and ability to understand and ability to learn their own. So artificial intelligence is a branch of science which deals with helping machine find solution to complex problem in a more human like fashion. Now this generally involves borrowing characteristics from human intelligence and applying them as an algorithm in a computer friendly way. Artificial intelligence is usually defined as the science of making computers do things that require intelligence when done by humans. These are the different definitions of a artificial intelligence. Basically, AI is the study of how to make computers do things which at the moment people do better. Now, in general term, what we say that AI is not just building robots, but an AI is an engine. Is considered something that can do one more of the following. So, what can which is to be done by AI? Act humanly, think rationally, act rationally. So, act humanly means what? The behavior, or what we can say that the intelligence which is to be performed by the machine just like as a human. Now next, think humanly means what? The what we can say that the what we can say that the thinking power of the machine or intelligence node that can be just like as a human. Now think rationally, act rationally. Thinking rationally means what? The power, or that machine, that intelligent node has the power, the database knowledge representation technique to think rationally. Now next, act rationally means what? That intelligent node is able to act rationally. Now next one is history of a AI. The pioneer of artificial intelligence was John McCarthy. In 1956, John McCarthy coins phrase artificial intelligence. In 1952 to 62, Arthur Samuel write the first AI program to challenge a world champion in a part due to learning. Now, next part for history are in 1950 to 60, Masterman and Cambridge at the create semantic network to do machine translation. In 1965, Joseph Weizenbaum creates ELIZA chatbot or chatterbot. This was the first chatterbot which was created by Joseph Weizenbaum. Okay, next in 1967, Feinbaum create Dendral, the first useful knowledge base agent that interpret mass spectrograph. Then in 1969, Shaky, the robot combines movement perception and problem solving. In 1985, Elvin, an autonomous land vehicle in a neural network which navigate across the country. Then in 1990s, Gary Tizaro creates Gammon, a learning backgammon agent which as the champion that vies with champion players. Now, how artificial intelligence work? Artificial intelligence work with the help of different artificial neurons, that is artificial neural network, and scientific theorem. So here the scientific theorems which deals with the if then or if then statement, or logics. So this is for artificial intelligence.